Hello everyone. Applied Forensic Research Sciences MCQ Times Part 34. Topic: Forensic Biology. Written by Tanu Chandan. Presented by Sheikh Navid. Here's the first question. DNA is present in, and the options are A. Nucleus only, B. Nucleus, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum, C. Nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast as well. Option D. Nucleus, mitochondria and rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the correct answer is C. Nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. Here's the second question. The two strands in DNA are joined by option A. Covalent bond, B. Hydrogen bond, C. Ionic bond and D. Phosphodiester bond. And the correct answer is B. Hydrogen bond. Here's the third question. Which of the following nitrogenous base is not present in DNA? And the options are A. Thymine, B. Adenine, C. Guanine and D. Uracil. And the correct answer is D. Here's the fourth question. DNA fingerprinting was developed by option A. Francis Crick, B. Corana, C. Elik Jeffrey and D. James Watson. And the correct answer is Elik Jeffrey. Here's the fifth question. The technique to distinguish the individuals based on their DNA prints pattern is called option A. DNA fingerprinting, B. DNA profiling, C. Molecular fingerprinting, D. All of this. And the answer is D. All of this. Here's the sixth question. DNA fingerprinting relies on option A. Difference in pattern of genes between individuals, B. Difference in order of genes between individuals, C. Difference in junk DNA patterns between individuals, option D. All of this. And the correct answer is C. Different in junk DNA patterns between individuals. Here's the seventh question. Each individual has a unique DNA fingerprint as individual differs in option A. Number of mini satellites on chromosome, B. Location of mini satellites on chromosome, C. Size of mini satellites on chromosome, D. All of this. And the answer is D. All of this. Here's the eighth question. DNA profiling is used option A. In forensic studies and in case of disputed parentage, B. In pedigree analysis and to study migration pattern, option C. To confirm cell line identity, option D. All of this. And the correct answer is D. All of this. Here's the ninth question. The DNA fingerprint pattern of a child is option A. Exactly similar to that of the both of the parents, option B. 100% similar to the father's DNA print, option C. 100% similar to the mother's DNA print, D. 50% band similar to father and rest similar to the mother. And the correct answer is D. 50% band similar to father and rest similar to mother. Here's the 10th question. Which type of probes are commonly used in forensic science? Option A. Multi-locus probes, B. Single locus probes, C. Both A and B, and the D. RNA probes. And the correct answer is single locus probes.